Welcome back, folks. So, retro round kick panel speaker assemblies. We're going to show you real quick. It took us a minute to figure this thing out. This is a completed kick panel for our 68 Barracuda. We've got the retro sound radio. We'll show you all that in another video, but this thing really didn't have any instructions, so we had to literally figure this out. You wouldn't think that a silly speaker, you'd have to sit there and do a lot of trial and error. We don't have any instructions on this. They have a wiring diagram, but no instructions on how to put this thing together. So we're going to show you here in a few easy steps. After playing with this thing for an hour, we're going to show you how to make it look like this. First thing you want to do is pop this little screen out. This is how we did it. It's got little tangs. See, tangs right there. Just go ahead and pop this out, set it aside. All right, next we've got our, I don't know what they call this, but it's some kind of spacer and something that secures the speaker. So we're gonna get our speaker put in here and then start putting our screws in. You put your little chrome spacer in there, lay your speaker down, and then you're gonna take this side where the speaker screen goes on here, and we're gonna put a screw in this side. Come in here, and come through here, and you gotta kind of, it's a lot of holding this and that. So set that right there. Now you're gonna take these funky looking little, these are gonna be your nuts basically. Put that on like that, and then we're gonna screw this on. Okay, so you can see we got two of these nuts on here, like this right here, where the screw's at, and it's gonna suck all this in. So we're gonna get the rest of it in here, and we're gonna show y'all the completed assembly just like this. We're gonna put the other two in, and pretty simple now. And now, just as simple as this. Put in the little tangs, get them in there like that. Let's see. Yep, there it is. And there it is. And then they give you the wiring diagram, how to wire it. So, pretty simple. So we're gonna get these in the Barracuda and then get the radio hooked up to them. And there they are. From RetroRadio, our kick panels along with the speakers. Yes, the wires are slowly but surely starting to go where they need to go, but we still got a ways to go, but we're getting things cleaned up. But want everybody to see, the RetroRadio is installed up here, and we'll show you in a second. You can't really play music. I'm gonna get in trouble with YouTube on copyrights, but I mean, it sounds very nice. So yeah, I don't want a boombox, but there you go. So we listened to the local radio stations. Everything sounds nice. It's very nice, actually. And again, I don't need big boom boxes or any of that. I just need something to listen to the radio going down the road, just like with the charger. But RetroRadio, now I'm going to tell you guys, their instructions suck. They suck. They want you to scan the little picture thing that, on their packet, so you download the manual onto your phone. And you know, they don't tell you anything about how to put the speakers together. You know, you guys that do speakers all the time, yeah, this is what they want you to download with your phone here. And then you go to their long instructions, and then you got to figure out which radio you got. I'm sorry, but the instructions are really terrible. But I do like it. It's a good product by RetroRadio. I'm not mad. I'm going to say this is a win for RetroRadio. Great work, RetroRadio. Great product. Great speakers. I love it, man. Thank you very much, RetroRadio. So, yeah, I've got it hooked up. What's cool is now I can listen to my own music. You hook it into the USB port right here, and then you can play your own music. I thought you could do the Bluetooth where you could just sync it in, and maybe you can, but I haven't figured that out yet. But as I go, I may call them and ask them. But yeah, RetroRadio for the win, everybody. Thanks for following along. Please like, share, and subscribe.